Hey lovies, welcome back to another recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be showing how to make this delicious mouth-watering shrimp stir fry. So if you're interested in this recipe, stay tuned. Let me take you through the process and ingredients of making our stir fry. So right here, I have my already washed and cleaned king prawn, which I already pat dry. And here are my spices. I have some smoked paprika, some seasoned powder, onion powder, garlic and ginger powder, which I'm using a teaspoon each of them, and a tablespoon of the smoked paprika. So guys, the smoked paprika is kind of the star key to this recipe. It's going to transform your shrimp. And I'll also go ahead and add a tablespoon of cornstarch flour to mix this up. So I'll stir it together and set this aside to marinate while I prep my veggies. So guys, here are the veggies I'm going to be using for my stir fries. I have some carrots, some tender broccoli, red, green and yellow bell pepper, some onion, garlic, ginger and spring onion. So you are free to use any veggies you like for this recipe. So guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Lydia Isaac. Thank you for stopping by. If you find this recipe helpful at the end of the day, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, as this is very helpful to my channel. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, please do go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that go with it so you never miss any recipe from this channel. And thank you very much for stopping by. So here are all my veggies prepped already. And I'm going to be washing my broccoli with just a little bit of salt and hot water. I'll just put in the hot water and take it off and run some cool tap running water to stop it from cooking. So here are my base, which I'm going to be using as a thickener, which is kind of the slurry for the stir fry. I have some olive oil, some sweet chili, cornstarch flour, sesame oil, oyster sauce and dark soy sauce. I'll go ahead and put my dark soy sauce in a bowl, the oyster sauce, which I'm using 2 tablespoons of each. I'll add my sweet chili. If you don't like using the sweet chili, I would advise you just mix some sweet chili peppers and honey, mix them up together to get yours. I'll add the sesame oil, which is optional, my cornstarch flour, which I'm using 2 tablespoons, and I'll mix this up with just about 200 ml of water. So I'll set that aside to use as a thickener for my stir fry. So right now I'll get my pan into the fire and I'll just put in about a tablespoon of olive oil, which I'm going to use to stir fry my shrimp. So to stir fry our shrimp, you just need to put them one at a time. You don't need to overcrowd them, so it will cook and you get that brown, color-ish something, which is going to be very nice. I tell you, don't overcrowd your shrimp. So I'm going to be cooking each side for just about 40 seconds to maximum of 1 minute. You don't need to overcook your shrimp, else it's going to be kind of rubbery in your mouth while you're eating it. So maximum of 1 minute is enough to stir. So after cooking one side for 1 minute, you flip the other side and allow it to cook for a minute or so, which is altogether 2 minutes maximum to stir fry your shrimp. So you can see how the shrimp look like. You can see the color, the kind of crispy. Guys, I tell you, this recipe, you're going to love it. So at this moment, I will take it off as it's already well cooked, and I'll go ahead and do the same to the other part of the shrimp which are not cooked. So guys, my shrimp is ready. I'll just take it off the pan, and you can see how beautiful and gorgeous this shrimp look like. I tell you, it tastes better than what it looked like. So I'll add some olive oil into the pot, which I'm going to use to stir fry my veggies, and I'll start by adding my onion. I'm just going to allow the onion to cook for just about a minute. And at this point, I'll add in my garlic and ginger. I'll stir this together and also allow it to cook for just a few seconds. And I'll go ahead and put in all my veggies at this point. So right now my fire is on a high heat. I'll add in my broccoli and I'll stir this, allow it to cook for just 2 minutes. So at this point, I was not feeling the color of my veggies, and I quickly went ahead to get some yellow bell pepper, some orange bell pepper, sorry, to add to it just to give it some nice color. I love my veggies to have that nice color. It gives me joy while seeing those color in my pot. So I went ahead and add some yellow bell pepper to it. And now I tell you, I was happy seeing this color in my pot, and I'll just stir it for just a minute. And at this point, I'll add in my mixture, which is kind of the thick. So I'll stir this together and allow it to just like simmer for a few seconds, because this is going to just thicken up easily. And at this point, I'll add my gorgeous and beautiful shrimp into those veggies. I'll stir it together for just 30 seconds, and voila, my shrimp stir fry is ready. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you tried this recipe and you love it, please don't forget to drop your comment on the comment section, like this video, and follow my Facebook page at Lydia Isaac Recipes. Till I see you guys on my next recipe, do have a lovely day. Do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.